How to use Kraken Pro's order book and market depth. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and select the trading pair you want to analyze from the market section. Next, you will see the trading screen with charts and various tabs including the order book and market depth. The order book shows real-time buy and sell orders with prices and amounts listed. Buy orders are usually shown in green and sell orders in red. Use the order book to understand current market demand and supply. It helps you see where buyers and sellers are placing their orders. The market depth graph visualizes the cumulative buy and sell orders on each price level. It gives you a quick overview of market liquidity and possible support and resistance levels. By analyzing the market depth, you can better time your trades and decide on entry or exit points. Keep an eye on large orders as they might influence price movements. Now you know how to use Kraken Pro's order book and market depth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.